Hi guys, we have some information on Samsung's new 200 megapixel sensor that's most likely gonna be the main sensor on the S23 Ultra. And there's also new information on the Exynos 2300. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates. And drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So a few months ago, Samsung unveiled its new 200 megapixel ISOCELL HP1 camera sensor for smartphones. And although it hasn't been used on any smartphone so far, there are rumors that Samsung is going to use it as the main sensor on the S23 Ultra as the successor to the 108 megapixel sensor on the S22 Ultra. But that seems far away, and Samsung can't wait to show how much details its new sensor can capture and preserve. Now, since the sensor hasn't been used on any smartphone so far, Samsung attached the sensor to a prototype smartphone and used a giant lens to capture a very detailed image of a cat. They printed the image and put it on a billboard as an advert for how much detail its new sensor can capture and retain. And the amount of detail from the sensor is really impressive. And we're gonna see the sensor in the real world really soon, because the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, which is going to be the first device to use the sensor, will be launched in July. Now, we also have more details about the next generation flagship Exynos chipset from Samsung. We previously confirmed that Samsung was not going to use the 8 Gen 2 in all markets. Instead, they're still going to make the Exynos 2300, which is disappointing because it's most likely going to be another failure like the Exynos 2200. Anyway, thanks to Roland Quant, we now know the internal codename for the Exynos 2300, which is going to be Quadra. The internal codename for the Exynos 2200 was Pamir. I'd be lying if I said I knew what any of those meant, but it does confirm the Exynos 2300 actually exists and it's gonna be on the S23 series. And we do know it could be built on Samsung's new 3nm GAA technology, which could significantly improve the performance and power efficiency. Anyway, we're gonna get more information soon, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. And be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.